Miami Beach is changing fast, and one luxury tower may redefine the skyline and spark controversy. Stick around to the end so you can see how the controversial condo termination strategy is dividing residents and developers. Welcome to Mid-Beach, a stretch of Miami Beach quietly turning into the new luxury frontier. In its center is Perigon Miami Beach, a 17-story oceanfront tower at 5333 Collins Avenue, developed by Mast Capital and Starwood Capital Group. Designed by world-renowned architect firm Oma, with interiors by Tara Bernerd Partners, the Perigon will feature 73 ultra-luxury residences ranging from 2,100 to 6,700 square feet. Each home offers direct ocean views, private elevators, and redefined modern interiors. Residents will enjoy an oceanfront restaurant, a speakeasy lounge, and a beachfront pool, as well as full-service wellness center redefining what luxury living looks like north of South Beach. After securing nearly $390 million in construction financing in early 2025, Mast Capital began the demolition of the former La Costa building, making way for one of the most ambitious projects Miami Beach has ever seen. But the Perigon's rise hasn't been without drama. To build here, developers had to terminate the existing condo association, buying out nearly every unit in the old building. Some longtime residents say that they were pressured to sell, while others accuse the developers of dragging out buyouts and delaying closings. In early 2025, a Miami judge ruled that Mast Capital breached a contract in one of those buyout disputes, fueling debate about whether condo terminations actually protect progress or undermine the community. The Perigon signals a new chapter in Miami Beach, one that blends bold design with deep tension between redevelopment and heritage. And it's only the beginning. Next up, we're stepping into one of the world's most exclusive hotel brands, Aman Miami Beach, where Japanese minimalism meets Art Deco history. Stick around till the next video, you're not going to want to miss it.